Elocution exercise. Interview practice. Listen carefully. Then have a go. Sales job interview.
Hello, thank you so much for coming.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me. The offices are amazing. They're very inviting.
Could you briefly introduce yourself?
Certainly. The sort of work I like is working with people and understanding what motivates them. I'm naturally organised and goal-focused, and I can usually explain ideas clearly.
What interested you in applying for this role?
It's the combination of customer interaction and measurable results. I enjoy roles where I can influence outcomes through communication and problem solving. Sales appeals to me because it's not just about selling a product. It's about understanding needs, building trust, and offering solutions that genuinely help people.
Excellent. What would you say are your main strengths?
I'd say one is my ability to communicate clearly and confidently with different types of people. Also, I make a point of understanding what someone really needs before responding. I'm resilient, so I don't take rejection personally. Finally, I'm self-motivated and comfortable working towards targets.
Can you give an example of a situation where you performed well or achieved something you're proud of?
In a previous role, I was working towards a challenging target during a quieter period. Rather than becoming discouraged, I focused on improving the quality of my conversations, asking better questions and tailoring my approach to each customer. Over time, this led to stronger engagement and better outcomes, and I exceeded my target by the end of the period. I was proud not just of the result, but of the way I adapted my approach to achieve it.
Wonderful. That's the end of the questions. Thank you so much. You're exactly what we want.
Thank you.
Customer service interview.
Hello, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for inviting me. It's nice to finally meet you.
Could you briefly introduce yourself?
Of course, I'm someone who enjoys helping people and making sure they feel listened to and supported. I place a lot of importance on clear communication, patience, and staying calm under pressure.
What interested you in applying for this role?
It's the opportunity to work directly with customers and make a real difference to their experience. Customer service appeals to me because it's about problem solving, empathy, and communication. I enjoy being the person who helps turn a problem into a positive outcome.
Excellent. What would you say are your main strengths?
My main strengths are communication, patience, and attention to detail. I'm good at listening carefully, understanding concerns, and responding calmly and clearly. I'm also very organized, which helps me manage multiple tasks while maintaining a high level of service.
Can you give an example of a situation where you performed well or achieved something you're proud of?
In a previous role, I dealt with a customer who was frustrated about an issue. I listened carefully, acknowledged their concerns, and explained the next steps clearly. By staying calm and professional, I was able to resolve the issue and the customer left feeling reassured. I was proud of turning a negative situation into a positive experience. The customer gave me and my company an excellent online review.
Wonderful. That's the end of the questions. Thank you so much. You're exactly what we want.
Ah, wonderful.
Now you have a go. It's secret.
Hello, thank you so much for coming. Could you briefly introduce yourself? What interested you in applying for this role? Excellent. What would you say are your main strengths? Can you give an example of a situation where you performed well or achieved something you're proud of? Wonderful. That's the end of the questions. Thank you so much. You're exactly what we want.